Hey everyone, Elementor AI is out of beta. Let's take a look. So when we are in our WP admin dashboard, let's head over to our pages and let's open up our homepage for that example. When I will want to edit the title, what you want to do is just click the title. And now one thing that you will notice, just on the same line as the title, you have these little stars or sparkles that says write within AI. So you just click it and then we have the Elementor AI. So yes, it's out of beta. You can use it, but it costs a lot of money. And I think that for the first, you have a lot of like a little free trial. So I think that's cool for, the time being. So what we have now, we can make it simplify language. So make it more simple from what we have right now. We can make it longer. We can make it shorter. We can make it to fix spelling or grammar if, for example, we misspell something. And we can choose the tone. For example, we want it to be friendly, we want to make it to formal, confidence, casual, and so forth. Also, we have translation to 25 languages, including like Arabic, Hebrew, Hungarian, Korean, Persian, Polish, Spanish, Swedish, and so forth. So let's check it. Let's go and add a new prompt. Let's get over here and create, let's just check a blog title. Why not? And generate text. Let's give it a little time to generate it. And cool. Now we have how to improve your productivity and achieve your goals. That's interesting. Power up your productivity, practical tips to achieve your goals. All right, let's try something else. Let's try, let's get it to a new prompt, create home decor. Yeah, and let's hit generate text. Let's give it a little time. And now we have it. Harmonious heaven, balancing beauty and comfort in your home decor. I like it. Let's use it. It's a little big, so let's make it a little smaller. Let's go over here. And yeah, that's in 5 RAM. Let's make it 25 pixels. No, it's a little small. Let's make it 50 pixels. Yeah, I think that's cool. Now this is for the titles. So one thing to mention is when you go to images also have those. We have also generated within AI, but it's coming soon. So we don't have it quite yet. But what we do have, if we go back to our title and let's head over to advanced. Let's head over here to custom CSS, and now we have our code within AI. So let's hit it and let's see what we have. So add a 3D shadow to the text. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, let's generate code. Yeah, let's insert it. Yeah, I don't think I quite like it, but it works. So let's try a new thing. Let's try add a circle shape clip mask, semi-transparent on hover, rainbow colored animated text gradient. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Let's erase this one. Code within AI. And yeah, let's rainbow colored animation. Yeah, and yeah, let's insert it. Yeah, I like it. Cool. So one more thing that we have with the Elementor AI is the HTML widget. So that we have over here. Let's check it out. Now we have an HTML code. Let's go over here, code within AI, and let's see what we get here. Write an embed code of Google Analytics, or write an embed code of Facebook Pixel, or HTML code that embeds the following PDF into web page linked to PDF. Let's try this one with the Google Analytics. Generate code. All right, now we have it, and insert. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think that's quite cool. Obviously, over time, it's going to evolve. We're going to have a lot of more options. The more the AI advances and we have more possibilities with it, I think the possibilities will grow much, much more. So with that in mind, I'm really happy that you joined me on this video today. If you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up and consider also subscribing for not missing any video on Elementor, WordPress, or WooCommerce. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one.